Good morning students. Welcome back. This video is for class 8. Subject English Grammar and it is taken from the book PC Renz. This is our chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is Determiners. This is my lecture number 1 and this is homework solution of lecture 1 chapter 1 Determiners. As I assigned you homework, which was to be done by you on the basis of your understanding, and the homework was revise articles and demonstrative determiners from the book or video, and based on the understanding of the topic, do exercises mentioned in the book PC Renz Grammar as. Page number 13. Exercise number 1 and 2. In lecture 1, as I have explained you the uses of articles, that is, a is used with consonants, an is used with vowel sounds, a, e, I, o, u, and the is used with particular nouns. So let's see the first exercise. Complete the following sentences by filling in a, an, or the as may be suitable. Number 1. He looks as stupid as an owl. So here, owl word, it is starting with a vowel sound. That is why an is used. Number 2, the guide knows the way. So here, the is indicating to a specific task or to specify a task. Number 3, honest man speak the truth. Here, the is used before a specific thing. Number 4, copper is a useful material. Here, useful word, it is starting with consonant sound. That is why a is used here. Number 5, he is an honor to his country. Here the word honor, it is starting with consonant, but it is carrying vowel sound. That is why an is used with it. Number 6, French is an easy language. Here easy, it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used here. Number 7, the sun shines brightly. The is used before common nouns. And sun, it is a name of a unique thing. That is why the is used here. Number 8, Sri Lanka is an island. Here island word, it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used before it. Number 9, I have come without an umbrella. So here umbrella word, it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used here. Whenever we are talking about singular noun, we are using a or an according to the sounds. Number 10, a lion is the king of beasts. Here, a lion. Lion is singular noun and it is carrying consonant sound. That is why a is used with it. King indicates singular and specific thing. That is why the is used here. Number 11, I bought a horse, an ox, and a buffalo. So here, horse word, it is starting with consonant sound. Ox word, it is starting with vowel sound. And buffalo word, it is starting with consonant sound. So according to that, a and an is used, and they all are singular. Number 12. The children found an egg in the nest. Egg is singular noun, and egg, it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used with it. So let's see exercise number 2. Insert articles where necessary. Number 1. While there is a life, there is a hope. So here hope word, it is starting with consonant sound and it is a singular noun. That is why a is used with it. Number 2. I have not seen him since he was a child. So here child word, it is starting with consonant and it is a singular noun. That is why a is used here. Number 3. An umbrella is of no avail against the thunderstorm. Here umbrella word, it is used as a singular noun and it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used here. And here thunderstorm, it is a name of a unique thing. That is why the is used here. Number 4. How blue the sky looks. Here sky word, it is a name of a unique thing. That is why the is used here. Number 5. The doctor says it is a hopeless case. So we are talking about only one case, and hopeless word, it is starting with consonant sound. That is why a is used here. Number 6. Get a kilo of sugar from nearest grocer. Here kilo, it is indicating a unit of weight. That is why a is used here. Number 7. My favorite flower is the rose. Here we are talking about particular noun. That is why the is used here. Number 8. What kind of a bird is that? Here bird word is singular noun and it is starting with consonant. That is why a is used here. Number 9. It is never thankful of us to offer an advice. Here we are talking about one advice, and advice word, it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used here. Number 10. There is nothing like staying at home for the comfort. So here we are talking about particular place. That is home. That is why the is used here. Number 11. The moon did not rise till after 10. Here moon is the name of a unique thing. That is why the is used. Number 12. Wild animals suffer when kept in the captivity. Here captivity word, it is a particular place. That is why the is used with it. Number 13. You must take care of your health. No article will be used here. Number 14. Set back the clock. Here clock is a particular noun. That is why the is used here. It is an hour too fast. And hour word, it is starting with vowel sound. That is why an is used here. Exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with correct demonstratives in the following sentences. As I have explained you the meaning of demonstrative determiners in lecture number 1. This, that, these, those are the part of demonstratives. This and these used to refer to a person or thing near to the speaker. Means near to the speaker. This is used for singular noun and these is used for plural noun. That and those are used to refer to a person or thing far away from speaker. Far away from speaker. That used to avoid the repetition of noun. And that is also used for singular noun and those it is used for plural noun. Number 1, I hope that this summer will be nicer than those weeks of rains we had last year. Number 2, those boys over there challenged these boys here to a football match. Number 3, I like this film a lot more than that one they showed last week. Number 4, you cannot compare those football teams from the 50s and 60s to these teams of today. Number 5, this metal tastes so much better than that one we had 2 weeks ago. Exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with correct demonstratives in the following sentences. Number 1. Look at this newspaper here. Number 2. These are my grandparents and those people over there are my friends' grandparents. Number 3. That building over there is the Cashler building. Number 4. This is my mobile phone and that is your mobile phone on the shelf over there. Number 6. These photos here are much better than those photos on the book. Number 7. That was a great evening. Number 8. That bottle over there is empty. Number 9. Those bricks over there are for your chimney. Number 10. John, take the folder and put it on the desk over there. So this is the end of the lecture. At last, I would like to say that here word is used for a person or thing which is near to you and their word is used for a person or thing which is far away from you. So do your homework in a neat and clean handwriting on an A4 size sheet and keep it into a folder. Thank you and have a nice day.